Yep, it's the new Subaru Forester. And let's take a look at the interior. It's got this new textured material here. Large screen, gear shifter, charging points, mobile phone charging, new generation steering wheel, multifunction, whole host of functions there. Nice sculptured seats in front. At the back, form-fitting ISOFIX points for the family. Let's get into the back seat and have a look. Oh, plenty of legroom here. Aircon vents, charging points, and a very easy to digest screen and instrument cluster. That's what you want when you're driving every day in the city. Design wise, still got that whole Forester vibe, but actually every panel has been redesigned. The front looks a lot cleaner, a lot more streamlined, flat here. Overall, you're looking at a much more handsome, rugged vehicle, and it's symmetrical all-wheel drive.